Boutique management course, enough to start your boutique and start your own income. Salwar kameez is a traditional dress worn by both men and women in South Asia, including India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan. It consists of a long tunic top known as kameez, which is paired with a loose-fitting trouser known as salwar, and a scarf or dupatta. The salwar is usually worn loose and baggy, gathered at the ankles, while the kameez is a long, loose-fitting tunic that can be adorned with various embroideries and embellishments. The dupatta is a long scarf that is draped over the head or shoulders. The salwar kameez is a popular and versatile dress, worn for both casual and formal occasions and is available in various fabrics, designs, and styles. A saree blouse is a traditional Indian garment that is worn as the upper garment with a saree, which is a long piece of fabric draped around the body. The blouse is typically fitted and tailored to the wearer's body, and it covers the torso and arms. It can be made from a variety of materials, including silk, cotton, and synthetic fabrics, and it is often embellished with embroidery, beads, or other decorations. The design of the blouse can vary widely, with different styles featuring different necklines, sleeve lengths, and back designs. Saree blouses are an essential part of traditional Indian attire and are often chosen to complement the design and color of the saree. Contents. Introduction to salwar kameez. History and origin. Introduction to saree blouses. History and origin. Introduction to measurement tape. Introduction to measurement system. Body measurement. Importance of body measurement. How to take body measurements. Ready body measurements. Calculation of garment ease. Design ease concepts. Estimation of fabric. Drafting and marking. Concept and drafting of base foundation. Marking techniques. Calculation and division of measurement. Drafting and marking of base foundation on paper. Cross-checking the drafting. Drafting basic sleeve foundation. Cross-checking. Drafting of base bodice and sleeve foundation on fabric. Cutting the bodice and sleeve foundation. Planning for stitching. Machine basics. Threading and trial stitch. Problem correction in machine stitches. Stitching basics. Stitching bodice and sleeves demo by the dresser. Stitching by the students. Trial and fitting check. Adjustments if any required. As per body anatomy. Once the students have completed the base bodice and sleeves, we start with different types of bodices, kameez with complete drafting, stitching process with finishing and cross-checking with fitting. Completion of deep neck bodice, kameez, complete process with calculations. Types of collars. Types of sleeves. Pants. Pants measurements. Pant drafting. Fabric estimation. Different types of pants with drafting, stitching complete with process and fitting cross-check. Concepts of pleating. Concepts of gathering. Saree blouses. Close neck and open neck, deep neck. Taking measurements for blouses. Body measurements. Ready measurements from blouses. Drafting of base saree blouse foundation. Drafting on paper. Drafting on fabric and cutting. Blouse stitching with fitting check. Adjustment if required. Trials of blouses. Types of blouses. Types of neck finishing. Types of zip finishing. Plackets. Cup fixing. Pockets infusion. Many more detailing required to start boutique business independently. Sketch or Google research patterns and we guarantee you will be able to draft and construct your design hassle-free. We teach unlimited patterns, should be from the section you have joined for. No need of pattern makers, in local language master, and tailors. Things not included. Western. Draping. Origami. Corsetary. Lingerie. Crinolines. Gowns. Structural. Bustiers. Formals. Border fixing on circular surfaces. Anarkalis and lehengas. Kids. Men's. Etc.